Chances are that if you've clicked on this video, you've never bought Bitcoin before, and that's okay. Today I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin in a safe, easy, and cost-efficient manner. Now, before we start buying Bitcoin, we need to go over a few things. Before you buy Bitcoin for the first time, I would do a little bit of research into what exactly Bitcoin is, the technology behind it, and whether or not it's something that you really believe in and want to put your money into. If you're buying Bitcoin to invest in Bitcoin, then you should realize that it is an investment. Just like owning any other type of stock or bond, the price of Bitcoin is going to fluctuate constantly. Finally, before you buy Bitcoin, you should realize that Bitcoin is a risk, just like any other type of investment that you might have, and you should be able to accept the losses along with the gains that you might have. All right, now that we've gone over all of that, let's begin. Okay, so the first website that we're going to be going over today is Coinbase.com. Coinbase is a highly respected website in the Bitcoin community. It's been around for several years now. With Coinbase is regarded as one of the safest places to buy Bitcoin there is on the internet. Some of the positive things with Coinbase is that you're going to be buying Bitcoin very safely and usually at the actual price of Bitcoin. There won't be very many markups. There might be a fee if you don't buy that many Bitcoins, but you will be basically buying Bitcoin at the price of Bitcoin with no extra markups. Some of the downsides of Coinbase is that it takes a long time for you to actually receive your Bitcoin. It could take up to a week, from a week to a week and a half sometimes for you to actually have the Bitcoin in your wallet. So if you don't like to wait and you really want your Bitcoin now, this might not be the method for you and skip forward a little bit in the video. However, if you just want to invest in Bitcoin in a safe and easy way, this is the place for you. So the first step on how to buy Bitcoin on this website is to obviously sign up for an account. So you can go to the top right hand corner and hit sign up, and that should be pretty self-explanatory. So we'll meet you once you've made your account, you signed up. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to go sign up right now. You can pause the video and you can sign up, use the link in the description, and then come back to the video so you can see the next steps. So now that you're ready to buy Bitcoin, we're first going to go over to settings. So we're going to go to the settings tab and we're going to go to linked accounts, and we're basically go to link a new account. Now there's going to be a screen that pops up that shows the different types of ways that they use to sell you Bitcoins. The most popular way that I use to buy Bitcoin, and it's the quickest way with the least amount of fees, is to obviously link your bank account. It's really easy. You just click on it, you click on what bank, and then you would just sign in. So if I were just to sign into my account like you would on wellsfargo.com, you can literally just link it like that. It's very simple. They also sell with a USD account. The other different ways are not as popular. You can go and see if any of the other different ways piques your interest, but for me, bank account is basically the only way to go. If you want to go and use PayPal, there's a 2.5% fee. Wire transfers take a little bit longer time. Credit and debit cards, you can only invest a certain amount. And this USD account I really haven't messed with, but I think it's mainly just for US dollars and not really Bitcoin. So for me, I would recommend you just linking your bank account. It's very safe. If you want to go and do research on Coinbase to make sure that's a reliable site, you can go and do the research. But for me, I just link my bank account. Okay, so now that we've linked our bank account to the actual website, now we can go ahead and buy our first Bitcoin. So you should see your payment method linked right here, so you can go ahead and select that, and then you want to select what kind of cryptocurrency you want to buy. So like I said, you can do your research in Bitcoin. That's the one that I am in right now, but if any other cryptocurrency is interesting to you, you can also buy it through here. And then it's as simple as putting in the amount that you want to buy. They also have a nice feature where you can repeat the buy daily, weekly, every 2 weeks, or monthly. So if you want to put $20 a month in Bitcoin, you can set it up so that it'll just go out of your account and you won't really have to deal with it. And then your portfolio can rise over time just naturally. Same thing with selling. You just go here, you select what wallet you want to use, what payment place that you want to be deposited to, and then how much you want to withdraw from your Bitcoin wallet. So that's basically it. That's how you buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. Let's skip over to the next method on how to buy Bitcoin. Okay, so the second way that I like to buy Bitcoin, and this is the way that I buy Bitcoin more often than the other method, just because I like to have my Bitcoin instantly and not really have to wait that whole week and a half for it to come out of my bank account. So if that sounds good to you, then definitely check out this website. I'll leave a link in the description as well to this website where you can go ahead and make an account right now. So obviously the first step is to create an account again. So go to the top right, hit create an account, and you'll be good to go. So once you've made your account and logged in, this is the page that's going to pull up for you. So what you can do first is go over to buy Bitcoin and then hover over buy Bitcoin and go ahead and click that. It'll take you to this page where you can see a couple different things. If you scroll down, it basically will show you different types of ways that this site will sell Bitcoin to you. And if you scroll down even farther, it'll show you all the different open offers, and along the left hand side it'll show you all the different listings for the different types of payment methods. Now keep in mind this website sells Bitcoin through a thing called peer-to-peer. So all of these users are actual people just like you. They're not actually a corporation like Coinbase is. However, these guys have a rating with everyone that they do business with, so you can see how reputable they are by their amount of ratings they have. And you can look through the different reviews and see if they are trustworthy or not. Okay, so the way that I like to use Paxful is to go up here to this search engine. So let's say I just want to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. So I'll type in 100 there. Then they're going to ask you to select your currency, so I'll put US dollar. And then we'll go all the way down to PayPal. Now you see there's a ton of different ways that you can buy Bitcoins. Bunch of different gift cards. Like if you have a gift card that you don't want to use, like let's say you get a Chipotle gift card for Christmas or whatever, and you want to maybe put it into Bitcoin, you can always use that here. So I'll scroll down and select PayPal and hit search. And what this is going to do is going to pull up every single offer that is within the boundaries. So you see this guy will sell anywhere from $20 to $100 on PayPal for Bitcoin. Another thing that you have to be aware of is the rate that they are selling their Bitcoin at. So you'd only be getting 80 cents to the dollar. So he's charging a little bit of a markup of about 20% on the Bitcoin just because you're using PayPal. So it's not as secure for him to use that for his way. Another thing that you can do is you can do the give me the best offer option. So basically, if you don't really have an amount that you care about, you can go to US dollar and then let's just say credit card, which is another great thing about this website is that you can buy Bitcoin with your credit card, and you go to give me the best offer. It'll directly bring you to the page that has the best offer that's on the website right now. So Paxful is a great way to buy Bitcoin if you don't feel like waiting the week and a half to 2 weeks that Coinbase requires for your transaction to go through. And also if you don't feel like putting your bank account information, if you're not comfortable with putting your bank account information in Coinbase, you can always use this. There's tons of different ways that you can buy Bitcoin with credit card, with debit card, with any type of gift card, with PayPal, which is really nice. Any type of way that you can basically imagine, you can buy Bitcoin with Paxful. And the other great thing is that you get the Bitcoin instantly. There's no waiting period, just like Coinbase had. There's no waiting period. You'll get your Bitcoin as soon as the transaction goes through. So that is going to be it for this video. I hope you learned something new about buying Bitcoin. I'll leave a link in the description to both of the websites that I featured on this video if you want to go and create an account and buy your first Bitcoin on those websites. Coinbase.com and Paxful.com are the two most trusted websites that I use to buy Bitcoin every single day. If you're interested in other ways to invest in Bitcoin and to overall make money with cryptocurrency, I suggest that you subscribe to this channel with notifications on. I plan on making tons of other videos on ways that you can make money with cryptocurrency. It's such an exciting field to get into right now, so I hope you stick around for the videos to come. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys later.